here we are again. We have got to week 3 already, the Space and Self Live, episode 3. So, hello, first of all, to everyone, and welcome back to Space and Self Live. I'm Yvonne Bignall, and as always, I'm joined with the brilliant Surabhi Kumari, architect, wellness designer, and co creator of the Space and Self Sprint.
Hi everyone, so happy to be here again. Today's conversation is one that's deeply close to both our hearts. How nature can bring us back to ourselves.
Yes, today we're exploring the connection between our inner calm and our outer environment. How bringing even the simplest natural elements into your home can restore your energy, your mood, and your sense of belonging.
Exactly, because in the rush of modern life, we often forget our nervous systems are still wired to nature. We might live among walls, screens, and deadlines, but our bodies remember the rhythm of earth. Sunlight, breeze, warmth, stillness. And when our homes lose touch with that rhythm, we lose touch with ourselves.
Oh, so true. And I'll share something that happened recently for me. I was having one of those weeks. It was back-to-back calls, screens everywhere. My mind was running faster than my body.
Mhm.
And one afternoon, I just went outside and sat in the garden. I took off my shoes. I let my feet touch the grass and stayed still. Now, within minutes, my shoulders dropped. My breath deepened. It was like my body exhaled after holding tension for days. And it reminded me, sometimes healing isn't complicated, right? It's as simple as touching the earth.
That's so beautiful, Yvonne. I have had a similar realization through design. A few years ago, a client told me, I want my home to feel alive. That sentence stayed with me. When I visited her, her interiors were perfect, neat, minimal, but emotionally flat. We added small sensory moments, a clay bowl of water that caught morning light, a few stems of bamboo, soft eastern sunlight filtering through linen. When she saw it, she told to me, it feels like my home breathes with me.
Mm. Oh wow, that's pretty powerful. That line just kind of gives me goosebumps. I love that. My home breathes with me, and that's exactly what this conversation is about. Reawakening our homes so they breathe life back into us.
Yes.
So let's let's just pause and kind of ask you, when was the last time you let the morning light touch your face before checking your phone?
Or when you pause long enough to sense your space, not how it looks, but how it feels.
Yeah. So many women tell me, I can't relax even when I'm at home. And often it's not because they're overworked, it's because their environment doesn't support rest. The space feels like another task to manage, right? Not a place to belong.
Exactly. We thrive in nature's cues: soft light, flowing air, natural textures, gentle sound. But our modern homes often block those rhythms. Sealed windows, artificial lights, too many synthetic surfaces. So our bodies, which are meant to move with the sun, end up living under the same ceiling light all day and night.
So ask yourself right now, does my home feel alive? Or does it feel like I am constantly managing it?
Let's root this in some simple design psychology. Our bodies are biological ecosystems responding constantly to sunlight, temperature, air movement, texture, and scent. These cues regulate everything from your mood to your sleep wake cycle.
Indeed, exactly. For example, exposure to natural morning light boosts serotonin. You feel your feel good hormones, right? So that's just what a great way to start the day, right?
Mhm.
Then, as daylight fades, melatonin rises to help you rest. So, even moving your work chair to catch sunlight for 10 minutes can lift your energy and focus.
Yes, and it's not about filling your home with plants or turning it into a greenhouse. It's about alignment, creating gentle sensory reminders that reconnect your body with your nature's language.
Yeah, I often say nature doesn't just decorate your home, it heals it.
Mm.
When you invite natural elements in, you're actually inviting balance, rhythm, and emotional steadiness.
Because when your home mirrors nature, it restores your biology to its natural place, calm, steady, alive.
I feel that.
Here are three small but powerful ways to invite nature back, even if you live in an apartment or urban space. Morning sunlight ritual. Open one window the moment you wake. Let the light hit your face. Just 2 minutes. Take three deep breaths. This simple act resets your circadian rhythm, balances hormones, and gently signals your body that the new day has begun.
Oh, that's one of my favorites. Not only because it's simple, but because it just really gets you revived and ready, right? And the next one is also easy and beautiful. And this is earth in everyday spaces. So bring in small natural materials. Could be a clay bowl of water, a piece of driftwood, a plant, a stone from your travels. Just one element that connects you to the earth's texture and warmth.
Wonderful. And next one is my personal favorite. Create a nature pause spot. Choose
Mm,
one nook in your home, near a window, under soft light, or beside a plant. Make it your pause point. No devices, no noise, just you and presence. It can be 2 minutes of stillness, a cup of tea, or journaling.
yeah, that's such a lovely reminder, isn't it? That it's like telling the body, this is where I come home to myself.
Exactly. And for those who follow Vastu or elemental design, these small gestures help balance the five elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. Even in the most modern apartments.
Yeah, that's just wonderful, isn't it? Um, and so we'd love to hear from you, as always. What's one small way you can bring nature into your home? Or what's one thing you'd love to try after today's conversation?
Yes, share with us in the comments or message us. You never know, your one simple idea might inspire someone else to reconnect with their space in a whole new way. In our last space and self sprint, one participant said, when I opened my window each morning, it wasn't just light that entered, it was permission.
Ooh, oh gosh, that was so powerful. And another woman shared that placing a small plant on her work desk made her feel more creative, less drained, and more present. And that's the power of connection. When your environment nourishes you, your energy expands.
If today's conversation speaks to you, we would love to invite you to our Space and Self Sprint New Year, New You, launching on January 12th, 2026. It's a 5-day guided experience designed to help you realign your home and your inner world, one gentle shift at a time.
Indeed. And you can join the wait list now or download our free Space and Self ebook to start exploring small rituals for reconnecting with your home and yourself. It's your first step toward a calmer, more grounded new year. Remember, you don't need to escape to the mountains to feel grounded, as beautiful as that might be. You just need to let the earth back into your everyday life.
Your home isn't separate from nature, it is nature, just shaped in human form. When you honor that, your home begins to heal with you.
Thank you for joining us today. We'll see you next Thursday for our next Space and Self conversation, which is all about boundaries begin at home. Until then,
Open a window
touch the earth.
and breathe with your space. Thank you.
Thank you.